I thought you are a girl.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
I
good.
also.
Oh, no, I'm not good.
How
Why
you
you
doing?
say I'm good?
Nia, Nia sounds cute.
They also weird.
Not where.
Where I
Uh,
didn't get it your part.
are you using earphone?
Yeah, I'm using this earphone.
That's why our voice is doubling.
Oh, my voice is cracking, something like that. You mean?
Not your ours.
Oh, weird. Okay.
Yeah,
And
but
then
Hmm.
okay.
Oh, we talk like I don't know. I'm new here, that's why. Meme and
No, I turn off my mic because I sounds my voice like a bounces. I bounce it.
yeah.
oh, okay,
So it's mine.
okay.
Okay. So Anias, are you workers students or what are your activities nowadays?
Oh, I'm very young. Can you guess how old I am?
Um, no. For right now, this is
22.
sensitive to us about the age.
20 to 25 between like
Mm, yeah, to be close. And I'm 21, and yeah, I'm a
Yeah.
student. ABCD third year, and I study law now.
I am the younger person.
Hey, you need to be
Why?
you need to be grateful, girl. Oh my
Mm.
God,
Why? Like
I
you're
am
looking
I
for
am the one who needs to be
old?
crying here because I am older than all of you guys.
Yeah, I
Oh
know
my
No,
you
no,
are.
no.
God.
No,
You
I
and
also met one girl. She also from Indonesia, and I asked him like her before, how old are you? She said I'm 45.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, is this possible? She's
yeah.
not angry with it.
She is not still here, I guess. He also friend,
Uh,
my only friend. Sometimes
yeah,
she is coming,
that's good.
sometimes not. She is married. She have a 3 and 4 son. I forget. She told me before. She have a 3 and 4 son. Yeah.
Okay. It's so nice if you guys already follow each other so you can meet her again.
I follow you, you follow me. That's why I come here again. Otherwise, I will be like
Hmm.
visiting different server and find can't
Oh,
find it.
that's I told you. You can find the same server by your
I
uh
don't know. After update, they add many servers.
uh, that's the problem.
Where is he? See, that's his name Niaz. It's like feel like Piaz.
Okay. Yeah, you can. Your wish. I'm Piers and
Yeah.
yes.
Sometimes if someone
Hmm.
said it more than once, it sound like BPS. Oh,
Okay.
my friend is here.
Okay, I think every
Mm.
time we have a different jokes because I don't get it.
Yeah, you don't get it. I know that.
Yeah, like
No, I
like
got
your
it now. She
yes,
say I'm
like your
Nias and Piers. I see.
is it the name of the ice cream flower again?
No,
No, it's Ani cow. Uh,
I
wait,
also don't know what do you mean
Oh, okay,
Piers.
okay.
Yeah, tell me.
wait.
Yeah,
Just a second.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, that's
Piers means a banana, something like
and
that.
this is
Mangoes.
okay.
no, no,
Okay.
no,
So what?
yeah. Just a minute. I'm just texting my friend. I will just be back.
So is it your real name? No?
Yeah, this is my real name.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Um, uh, if you are in Indonesia, people will think that you are a girl.
Okay.
Yes.
Why? My
Yeah.
voice is like
What
a
is
woman.
hello? Yeah.
No, no. It's not your voice, but your name sounds like a female name. Yes.
Oh, you mean my name? Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
I just said that piyaz, right? It's on onion.
Oh,
In
onion.
Bengali, we call it piyaz. That's why I made a joke.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Nice.
okay.
I like
Onion, onion.
this joke. I like this joke. Yeah, I should try
Yeah, actually, I really like a joke, but
again. Hmm.
um,
But don't
if
understand, right?
yeah, if it's related with the language
Hmm.
in
Yeah.
the country, so it's difficult to understand that.
Yeah. And it's a little bit funny
Oh,
because we didn't understand anything.
yeah, like I find joke on TikTok like um this person really had English because they dance, we
Mm-hmm.
dance, but she dances. So how many dance she do?
Hmm.
Do you understand the joke?
Hmm. Yeah, it
Yeah,
is also joke because we are don't know anything. It is also
yeah.
joke.
How many dance she does until
Mm-hmm.
she needs to
Mm-hmm.
up like a prila right in the work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, something like that. Everything.
So you two are from Indonesia?
Where is from
No, no,
Indonesia?
no.
So where are you from?
We
He's
say
from Spain,
Where?
right? You from Spain, right?
we is from Spain.
What?
Who is
What?
from Spain? You say. You told me before. You were you told tell me and like you told someone like who is that?
I I asked Niaz, where did you come?
Or I'm from my mother, my mom, and I living my dad.
How?
Nice joke. Okay.
Elmo. Oh my
What
God.
is the
So
name of your country?
Yeah, this is my country. We are also
Name,
born is
name,
my
name.
yeah. It is name my country name. My mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. Yeah, I'm just joking.
Bangladesh.
Yeah. Why
so which the
And
so which
you don't know about Pias?
and what do you think?
It's
Like
like
my accent. What do you think? Where I'm from?
it's
Oh,
kind
I know that. I think he's confident to be present from another country because his accents are different than Bangladesh. That's right.
Yeah.
and he
Okay.
don't
Thank
add any flag of country.
uh,
You
like you, I'm listening your voice, and also friend from Indonesia. I guess you're from
you.
Indonesia. And
This
what do
is
you?
my last battery. Wait me, guys.
Oh, this is your last battery. We're waiting for you.
Yeah,
Will come. Where
yeah.
you?
I'm trying.
Yeah.
Pray for me.
Mm-hmm.
uh, ha ha
Oh,
ha.
now here two is still here. Meme. Okay. I told you one
What?
thing. Okay. I'll tell you one thing. I tell. I will tell you one thing. Are you get it? Are you listening?
Yeah, I am listening.
You asking and like she asking where I'm from. Because your voice and her voice little bit similar, and I'm little bit confused. I don't know who's talk.
Where she go?
Yeah, she is gone. Yeah.
Why?
Can you guess where I'm from? My accent. What kind of?
Yeah, it can be job like Bangladesh or India.
My accent like Bangladesh, India, something like that. You mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you see, you're okay. I also met a lot of people here from Bangladesh, from India, from Indonesia. They are told me before you're from Indonesia, and your first person he told me I'm from India, Bangladesh. Why you say I'm from Bangladesh, India?
So where are you from?
No, can you like yeah, like can you explain why you say I'm from Bangladesh, India?
It's kind of your voice.
My boys like Bangladesh is something like that. You mean?
Yeah, and
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
nothing.
Okay. You're guessing spies very well. Nice. You're guessing power.
So now you tell me where are you from actually?
I'm from Bangladesh. Yeah, that's true. I'm from Bangladesh,
Okay.
Dhaka. Yeah,
Dhaka.
yeah.
Dhaka in where?
Uttara.
Which part? Uttara.
Why you
Okay, so
Uttara?
you already
Nothing, nothing.
Nothing, nothing. Okay, okay. Yeah, me also nothing, nothing. Yeah.
Wait, then,
Yeah, welcome back, Indonesian girl.
hey, hey guys. So let's continue our topic before about you pretend to be the another person from another country.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
mm,
So
Don't tell me. Don't tell her. Wait.
why? Why? Why?
She also don't know where I'm from. That's why.
hey, I'm sorry, boy, but I heard that you confirmed that you are from Bangladesh.
Wow.
Oh my god. How did you know I'm from Bangladesh? Like that.
All right. Is
Oh
it
my
is
god.
it why?
I'm not from Bangladesh. Why you say I'm from Bangladesh?
He's from Uganda.
No, I'm not from Uganda.
No,
Also.
no, he's from.
No, no, no.
Don't you because I heard you guys speak another language.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that you're from Bangladesh because me from Bangladesh.
And you're from Indonesia. And another person.
No,
He also from Indonesia.
No,
no, I'm
I
not
mean,
from Indonesia.
where you from?
he's from Pakistan.
Yeah,
Yeah, you'll
before.
see.
Or you're from
Kulfi.
Pakistan?
Nope.
No. Why you say
He's
you?
from Indonesia and
No,
Kulfi. I mean, Ulfi
I'm
from
just
Pakistan.
no, I'm just say because she say because another person girl she is from Bangladesh. That's why she uh she mean I'm also from Bangladesh. It's not true. I mean, it's a little bit funny. Oh my god.
So besides we pretend
Mm,
our age, we need to pretend our country as well.
okay. Yeah, I'm from my
Wow.
mom. I living my dad, and I is born in my sister.
To be
Yeah.
to be honest, guys,
Mm.
I'm from the God.
Oh yeah, I believe you. I believe you because you
The
believe
God
it.
that the God sent me in this world to be a human being, and that's why yeah, I'm talking to you to bring this information. No, I'm not. I'm joking.
We
Yeah, you
have
should
one
try. Your
another
joking is very well,
person.
like very funny. I
Give
like
him
your
some time for
joking.
speak.
Okay.
We
Okay,
have
so
another person.
just make it clear. Where are you come from?
Yeah, you mean where I'm from? You are.
Just tell him why was he.
Is he from Bangladesh, right, Mim?
No, I also told you why you asked her like where I'm from. I'm from my mom, and I living my dad, and I was born in my sister. Why say again, again, again? Why are you asking? What the
Don't
hell?
ask him.
Yeah.
The
Just
problem here is the question about the name of your country, okay? Not
Yeah.
the
My
name
country
of
people,
your.
like name is my country people. Uh, call like mom country. Yeah. It is my country name. Why you don't believe anything?
What?
Yeah, my
yeah.
country name is my mom. Like your country name is Indonesia, and my country name is Bangladesh, and another guy, he country name is Pakistan, and my country name is my mom, like mom. Yeah, we are like say like same like thing, like mom. That's true.
My
When we said that our country name is mom,
Yeah, my country people say like my country people like
never,
say yeah, my country name
never,
is my mom. Yeah,
never.
my
never.
brain got breeze actually.
He's
Hmm.
from Bangladesh, okay? Don't ask him.
Hmm.
Okay,
Um.
just get clear that he's from Bangladesh.
Hmm. No, it's not true. He is liar. She is
It's
liar. He is liar, ma'am.
No,
a
guys,
Pakistani boy.
guys over here, he's from Bangladesh. Confirm,
No, guys, don't believe
confirm,
her.
guys,
Don't trust her.
Yeah,
Don't.
confirm.
No, it's not true. I'm just joking. She also asking me where I'm from. I say I'm from Bangladesh. You she say I'm
okay,
from.
okay, okay.
I
He's from
no, no.
he's
I'm
from his
just.
mother,
Mm,
and he lives with his father.
yeah.
So stop.
Yeah.
Don't hear it again.
Okay.
Mm,
You are a
Yeah.
mommy boy, okay?
yeah.
Uh, yeah, that would. Oh, wow, no one people here, guys. Just
Yeah.
four of
She's
us.
scam and she's gone. He's scam and gone. Yeah. He's still
Um,
here. He's not talking. Do you know him?
Yeah,
Wolf,
I know him.
Or
But
why you saw like why he's
Ulfi,
silent?
Ulfi,
Wolf, just speak up,
He also
Wolf.
from Bangladesh. He also from Bangladesh, like that.
Wolf,
is
maybe
from Pakistan.
you can try asking Nias where he come from, so
Mm,
he can be, to be honest to you.
yeah,
Just try it, Wolf.
We just joking with you, okay?
I think he doesn't want to be honest to the female.
yeah.
Yeah.
And what about you? Like, I have a question for you. How old are you, by the way? You were?
Don't ask age,
No, no, no. I
okay?
asking not you. Like, I know your age. Like, I asking her. Like, how old are you, Indonesian girl?
Don't ask a female of his ex,
This
okay?
sensitive.
No,
My older
mhm, yeah.
my older age is my mom, my father, my house.
He is older than you.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah, people around me call me my age is
Hmm.
my mom, my father, something
No,
like
it's
that.
not funny question. It's not funny question. It's serious question because I'm talking to you a long time. It's a little bit important. How old are you? That's what you're asking.
She is older than me.
Okay, it's the same situation. Okay,
No, no,
when
you
I
told
ask
me,
you where do you
tell
live,
me your age, and I will tell you one thing. That's why you're
you'll
asking.
go first. You'll go first.
No, you go first. Like you go first, and I told you. I will told you. Yeah.
No, no, I don't believe you, boy. You want to pretend for the first place, so you will be lying
No.
for the next. So yeah,
Okay. You mean you?
you can
But
guess it by my voice.
I guess. I also meet a lot of
Mm.
people here from Indonesia. I have also friend, nine and ten friend. They're from
Uh-huh.
Indonesia. With
Uh-huh.
your age something,
My God,
35, 40, something like that.
why she leave?
Oh, she's gone. Her battery is gone, I guess.
Okay. Okay. So you said that my age is 25.
No, no, I'm not 25. I say your age 35, 40 something, like that.
Okay. So yeah, just keep it on.
How old are you?
Do you wanna know that?
Yeah, I know that. That's why I'm asking. How old?
That that uh, is not important. But
Mhm,
it's not different with other with other Indonesian girl that you ever
mhm,
meet.
mhm.
So that
Yeah, it's not matter your age, how old your age, what your age, and not. Just I am asking. Yeah, because I'm talking to you a long time. That's why I asking.
yeah.
Yeah.
So how about you? Your age?
Mm, can you guess how old I am? I'm talking to you a long time. I feel your guessing wise very well. You should
Oh my
you should try.
god.
Go
Oh
ahead.
my god. You already challenged me in the first place when I
Mhm.
asked your country names, and then you challenged me about your age.
No, it's a little bit easier for you. I guess it's a little bit easier for you because
No,
you're.
no, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's too difficult to decide age for a male, okay? Because
Mhm,
sometimes for male,
mhm.
they have a deep voice, but they are still young. You know what I
Okay.
mean?
Mhm. Yeah, what kind of
But
bag?
when I
My voice is deep and not.
for me, your voice
Mhm,
is mature, like a 25 and 26 years old. But I know that is not correct
mhm,
because sometimes I met a male with a deep voice and
mhm,
he's still 19 years old. So
mhm. Yeah, it's
it's
true.
really, guys, where are you come from, meme?
Nothing. I'm just
She's from Bangladesh.
I know her.
Why is she's from
I know.
Bangladesh? We can see her flag.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, don't tell anyone.
Oh
Hello,
man, you also
Asap.
from you also from Bangladesh? Yes.
No, I'm not from
No,
Bangladesh.
Where you from?
Mm, I'm from my mom.
not,
I live with my
not
dad.
again.
I was born in my dad, my sister. Yeah.
Damn man, that was so funny, man. I almost laughed.
Are you also laughing? Okay.
No, no, no. I almost laughed.
Not again, yeah. We just finished.
Don't
Ami
ask him.
kitumi ভালোবাসি.
Don't ask him, bro. She is like she feel bored. Just why
আমি
don't asking. Don't ask.
আমি কি তুমি
Don't tell me.
ভালোবাসি?
wait. Where you come from, Asap Rocky? Are you from
Um, I'm from Nepal. Nepal.
Nepal? Oh, Nepal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know it.
Yeah.
Oh, you're from
You know,
Nepal?
why is it called Nepal?
Yeah.
I don't know, but I can know him by their accents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where you from? NBTDS. So what is your name? That
Uh,
name is that name is so long, man.
It sounds
sorry,
so
it is not
cute.
them.
Huh?
It is
What?
said it's a code, not name, and I don't know what is the meaning of this code.
What is your name then?
Okay. I think it sounds cute when you read my name. Just call me V.
V?
V. Yeah.
V? No, you're not from BDS, right?
Oh my god. You know BTS? Oh my god.
Yeah, we also
Uh,
know BTS. BTS
I
is
know,
famous. Real
I know
country.
N-Hypen as well. I know N-Hypen as well.
So both of you know BTS?
Uh,
How about you, Mim? Are you K-popers? Are you watching K-drama?
No.
I watching drama, but not BTS.
Oh,
So V is V. Your name is V, right?
What's that?
Someone from your country taught me a language. Like
Oh,
Kuntol. Kuntol means I love you, right?
Wow,
Mm.
it's nothing.
let me to find this person.
No, what
Let
does
me
it?
find.
What what does it mean? Kuntol. Bakiluku. Bak baklo.
What the?
Kuntol. Bakluku.
Guys,
What?
guys. Um, that's the bad. Not bad, but this that's the dirty word in Indonesia.
Oh, so is Indonesia is in Indian Asia? India. Like it is an Asia country mixed with India. Indonesia.
What?
No?
Guys, we are feel bored. Risha.
Um no guys, we are feel bored. You like that phrasing is wrong, bro.
It's
You
not
need to
wrong
say
because
like you need to say we are feeling bored.
oh you're feeling yeah it's true like we are here to learn English, bro. It's true. You like
Um
something went
um
wrong.
so
Somewhat
so
wrong.
like so like
Mm.
what do you want to learn?
Right? Why I'm learn?
Like I mean to say like what do you want to learn? I can teach you something, I guess.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, teach me English.
Like without any like jokes aside, like can you tell me where you're from so I can like ask you some questions?
Okay. I can see.
I think you're from Bangladesh by your accent, right? By
Okay.
like
hmm
We
I'm not from Bangladesh. I can see my country because this is my secret, and you should try. Can you teach me
no,
your language?
finally someone feel that.
Bakot Luku,
What?
Kontol, Nias I Kontol you.
Yeah, you can tell me. I'm
Wait,
waiting
oh
for
my
you.
god.
Mm,
Do you
mm.
think that the word is mean that love?
Yeah, like it means love, right?
Oh my god. In Indonesia the word is a part of your body.
Oh, so like nose, ears.
No. The private male.
Oh, so like eyes of a male.
How to describe it? Um
Bro,
that's
just say pee
what.
pee. Just say pee pee.
I don't know. I don't know.
So like Meme is from Bangladesh and Nias is from so like Indonesia have like a lot of Muslim peoples, right?
Yeah.
So like do you guys follow any other religions besides Muslim?
It's funny thing, bro.
Why? Why is it funny?
Because you are Muslim, why you follow other religion?
No. Like I mean to say like what does like
hmm
all the peoples like follow like Muslim religion like
No,
or
no. You told me like,
What?
do you like another religion? Yeah, it's a normal
no
question.
bro like no
It's
bro
a
like
fun.
you too
Mhm,
dumb bro like
mhm.
you just need to understand my
Like
question.
Okay,
like
don't
what?
tell me, bro. Don't tell me, bro.
So
Why?
what do I
What actually point you're talking about?
like I'm talking
Uh,
about does your country only consist of Muslim peoples or like do peoples follow any other religions as well?
yeah, that's okay, right? I mean, that's their right.
Mm-hmm.
He said that Indonesia just have Muslim or another religions people.
Yeah. I meant to ask that.
Or you mean that in Indonesia, uh, if we have a different
Mm-hmm.
religion
Another religions
other
people
other
have.
than Muslim,
Yeah,
we have a lot of religion in Indonesia, like
yeah.
Muslim, Christian, Hindu, Buddha.
Oh,
Yeah, there are a lot of, but in majority,
yeah.
majority majority religion in Indonesia is Muslim.
Oh, like thank you. Like I was meaning to ask that.
There are a lot of religion here. We respect each
Um,
other.
so like, do you wear hijab?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah, like that.
তুমি খিচাপ পারা না না আমি পড়ি না আমি খোলা রান্না করি
bro, like, are you speaking Urdu? What language is that?
এটা কিছু নয়, এটা ঘোড়া রান্না।
Bro, what is he speaking?
He's speaking. I don't know. I didn't get it. Her point.
Um, what do Bangladesh people speak, like Bengali?
Yeah, Bangladesh is speaking Bengali, and some people, not all people, like some people know Hindi, because like
Uh,
75, 80% people watch anime and Hindi movie, listening Hindi song. That's
oh,
why.
like Motu Patlu,
Yeah, also Motu Paglu. Yeah,
Motu और
Yeah.
watch
Patlu
Motu
की
Paglu.
जोड़ी.
Yeah.
আর মাথায় একটা কেউ কার্টুন ভাঙবো, আমার বিরক্ত লাগছে কথা বলে।
And
কেমন আছে?
ভালো আছি।
What does it mean? কেমন আছে? Like,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. No, thank you.
Ha ha.
What?
Oh, he left.
yeah,
Yeah.
and
Bye.
I also get to go. I guess it's my last birthday, and
I also.
Yeah, I think it's already midnight.
yeah, it's
Thank you.
pretty.
Oh,
Miss
what
you.
is your favorite things to do when you free?
Yeah, thank you, Nia. Thank you, Miem. Nice to meet you all.
Yeah, nice to meet
You
you
are
too.
living?
Yeah,
You are living now?
yeah. I wanna live now. I think I wanna talk to someone.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, nice to meet you
Bye.
too, and have a nice day. Take good time.
Yeah, we got
Have a
time.
nice night.
Yeah,
Bye.
I
Bye.
guess first time I'm very happy. Nice talk to you.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
how very happy
Mm.
too. Because
Yeah.
I don't know where I'm from. But yeah, it's okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Bye.
We'll talk later. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Your name is ma'am.
What?
Your
What?
name is. What is your name? How can I call you? Ma'am.
Uh,
Acha. What did you for a living?
hmm?
What did you for a living? You are a student and a worker.
Student.
What are you studying now? What are you studying?
I'm just passed with
Mm-hmm.
auto pass.
Oh, Octopus. Nice. Do you know I can't speak English and I also like your country language. Can you teach me your country language? Bengali, Bangla.
ও আচ্ছা,
Mm.
তা আপনি কি শিখতে চান বাংলাতে?
চাইতেছে হচ্ছে বাংলাতে how are you? I'm fine. Something like that.
আহ,
Mhm.
বাংলাতে বলতেছেন যে হাউ আর ইউ?
না আমার হচ্ছে আমি কিছু কিছু ওয়ার্ড পারি কারণ হচ্ছে আমার ফ্রেন্ড আছে তো বাংলাদেশে থাকে আর হচ্ছে আমাকে শিখাইছে লাইক হাউ আর ইউ মানে কিছুটা পারি বেশি না কিছুটা
ও
পারি হুম
ও আচ্ছা।
হুম না আপনি চাইলে শিখাইতে পারেন আমাকে
ও আচ্ছা।
তো আর কি
অ্যাপ কয়দিন হতে ইউজ করতেছেন?
4-5 দিন হয়েছে
জাস্ট
হ্যাঁ
কেউ কি রেকমেন্ড করছে নাকি কোনো অ্যাড বা কোথাও?
আমি হচ্ছে পাইছিলাম হচ্ছে ইনস্টাতে পাইছিলাম
সবাই ইনস্টাতেই পাইছে বেশিরভাগ।
আমি হচ্ছে অনেকের সাথে কথা বলছি অনেকে হচ্ছে ইনস্টাতে পাইছে।
কেমন লাগতেছে?
ভালোই লাগছে। কেমন লাগবে আর?
এখন ডিফারেন্ট কান্ট্রিজ পিপল দেখা যায়। আমি যখন আসছিলাম প্রথম ফার্স্টে পাকিস্তান, দেন নেপাল, ইন্দোনেশিয়া, তারপরে উড়াধুরা বাংলাদেশ আসা শুরু করছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। আপনি কই থাকেন?
নওগাঁতে।
আচ্ছা, বুঝতে পারলাম। আপনার এজ কত?
19।
19। আচ্ছা। আমি কি বলছিলাম আমার এজ?
হ্যাঁ, 21।
বলছিলাম। আচ্ছা, আপনার ইংলিশ তো ভালোই। কই থেকে শিখছেন এত ভালো ইংরেজি?
জানি ভুল আছে, বলার কিছু নেই লোকেরা।
আচ্ছা।
ট্রাই করতেছি ভালো করে।
না, করতে থাকে। আপনার ইংলিশ অ্যাকসেন্ট অনেক ভালো। আর আমি হচ্ছে অনেকের সাথে কথা বলছি, ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে আপনি ছিলেন, ধরতে পারলেন আমি হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশ থাকি। আমার অ্যাকসেন্টটা কি পুরো বাংলাদেশের মতো? মনে হয় আমি বাংলাদেশি।
ওই টাইপেরই।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। তা এত কষ্ট কেন করতেছে আমার অ্যাকসেন্ট ভালো করতে? আমি হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশি কারোর সাথে কথা বলি না, মানে অ্যাকসেন্টটা হচ্ছে ভালো করতে পারি। এত কষ্ট করে কি লাভ? আর হচ্ছে আপনি যদি অ্যাকসেন্ট ভালো করতে চান, মানে আমার যেটা মনে হয়, মানে আপনি কার সাথে কথা বলছেন এটার উপর ডিপেন্ড করবে। ঠিক আছে, সেই জন্য আমি হচ্ছে এশিয়ান কারোর সাথে কথা বলি না। হ্যাঁ, দ্যাটস ওয়াই।
মনে তো হয় না যে কারোর সাথে কথা বলবো, যেই বাবা বকর 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 করে।
না 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 না, মানে হচ্ছে আমি ওইটা বলি না, আমি বলছি হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশে কারোর সাথে কথা বলি না।
ও,
মানে বাংলাদেশে দেখলে আমি দূরে চলে যাই।
আমার তো ইয়ে না হলো, প্রিমিয়াম নেওয়া নাই, তো কথা বলতেছি 4 জনের এটা। খুব করে ওর মধ্যে বাংলাদেশে চলে আসছে, আমি তো রিসিভও মারতে পারবো না বা প্রাইভেটও করতে পারবো না। যখন সবাই চলে যায়, বাংলাদেশে তো যেতে চাই না যদিও।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
থাকে, যখন থাকে দেন বলে যে বাংলাতে কথা বলো, দেন তখন বাংলাতে কথা বলো।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আমি সেম, আমি হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশের সাথে 2-4 মিনিট কথা বললা এক ইংলিশে কথা বলি না, কারণ হচ্ছে ওদের অ্যাকসেন্ট হচ্ছে ডিফারেন্ট। আর আমি হচ্ছে ইউরোপিয়ানদের সাথে কথা বলি বেশি, বা ইন্দোনেশিয়ান বা জাপানে থাকে অ্যান্ড হচ্ছে কোরিয়াতে থাকে, ওদের সাথে কথা বেশি বলা হয়। আমার কয়েকজন ফ্রেন্ড আছে, ওদের সাথে কথা বলা হয়। বাংলাদেশি
তো
দেখলে আমি হচ্ছে
আপনি
ঢুকি না।
ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিসিং করার জন্য আসছেন?
না, আমি হচ্ছে আমি ইংলিশ পারি তো, আবার কথাতে কি মনে হয় আমি ইংলিশ পারি না?
অবশ্যই পারেন।
আমার হচ্ছে অ্যাকসেন্টে ইমপ্রুভ করতেছি আমি। আমি ইংলিশ ভালোই পারি, মাশাআল্লাহ। মানে বাইরে যাব তো, আমার অ্যাকসেন্টটা আমি মনে করি অ্যাকসেন্টটা ভালো করে হচ্ছে বাইরে যাওয়া দরকার। বা অ্যাকসেন্টটা এটা ভালো হয়ে যাবে। আপনি হচ্ছে যদি ইউরোপে যান, 2-3 মাস থাকলে আপনার অ্যাকসেন্টটা মানে মানে কি অটোমেটিকলি চলে আসবে, ভালো হয়ে যাবে। কিন্তু আমি চাইতেছি বাংলাদেশ থেকে যেন ভালোটা করতে পারি, বা বাংলাদেশ থেকে ভালো করে যাইতে পারি। এই জন্যই মানে অ্যাকসেন্টটা শেখা। বা
বাইরে কি কাজের জন্য না পড়াশোনা?
না না, পড়াশোনার জন্য না, আমার হচ্ছে আপনার বিজনেস অস্ট্রেলিয়া থাকে, মানে স্টাডি করে, এটা তো আমার 3rd সেমিস্টার, এই 4th ইয়ার শেষ করে চলে যাব অস্ট্রেলিয়ায়। মাস্টারের পারপাসে না।
বেশিরভাগই অ্যাপে সবাই আসে ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিসিং এর জন্য।
হ্যাঁ, অনেকের সাথে কথা বলছে, ওরা হচ্ছে বেশিরভাগ হচ্ছে প্র্যাকটিসের জন্য আসে, আর বেশিরভাগ তো হচ্ছে টাইম পাসের জন্য আসে। অনেকে হচ্ছে বলছে আই এম হিয়ার টু ওয়েস্ট মাই টাইম। মনে করেন আপনি ইংলিশ শিখতে আসছেন, আমি ইংলিশ শিখতে আসছি, আমরা 3 জন হচ্ছে ইংলিশ শিখতে আসছি, অন্য আরেকজন হচ্ছে মানে কি বলা হচ্ছে আমি ফেসবুক থেকে ভালো মনে করি ইনস্টাগ্রাম বা ফেসবুক থেকে মনে করি ভালো একটা অ্যাপস ফোন দিয়ে দ্যাটস ওয়াই আসা, বা আমার টাইম আছে না, আমি হচ্ছে মাঝে মধ্যে মানে কি টাইম পাসের জন্য আসা হয়। মানে এখন ইংলিশ অ্যাকসেন্টটা ইমপ্রুভ করতে আসছি, মাঝে মধ্যে যখন বোরিং ফিল করি তখন থাকি ইউটিউব, মানে কি ইউটিউব বাদ দিয়ে হচ্ছে ইউটিউব যখন চালাই বা ভিডিও দেখি, তখন চিন্তা করি হচ্ছে ফোন থেকে ঘুরে আসে, ফোন থেকে কথা বলে আসে, না এখান থেকে আসা হয়।
বাড়ির পাশে তো নেই আসে।
হ্যাঁ দেখছেন মিলে গেছে তো, আপনি টাইম পাস আমি টাইম পাস। আপনি ঘুমাচ্ছেন না কেন?
দুপুরে ঘুমাইছি 7টার দিকে উঠছি, ঘুম ধরতেছে না।
কতক্ষণ থাকবেন ফোনটিতে?
এই তো চার্জ শেষ হয়ে গেল, আর একবার চার্জ করে আসবো, দেন চলে যাবো।
ও অনেকক্ষণ থাকবেন, আচ্ছা। আমার ছিল লাস্ট ব্যাটারি।
এটা চার্জ শেষ হয়ে যাবে, দেন ঘুমে যাবো। যদি মনে করে থাকবো তো চার্জ করবো, তাছাড়া বাইরে একবারে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। হ্যাঁ অনেকে পাবেন এখানে, অন্য সার্ভারে হচ্ছে অনেকে আছে বাংলাদেশি, ইন্দোনেশিয়ান, অনেকে আছে, কথা বলতে পারবেন।
বেশিক্ষণ থাকা ভালো লাগে না, জাস্ট 1 ঘন্টার মতো থাকে, আমি রেগে যাই। আবার অনেক সময় যদি মনে হয় যে ফ্রেন্ড কেউ আসছে, তাহলে আবার বেশিক্ষণ থাকা লাগে। তখন চলে গেছিলাম,
আচ্ছা
ফ্রেন্ড
আচ্ছা
আসছিল।
আচ্ছা, পরিচিত কেউ আসছিল, আচ্ছা।
হ্যাঁ, যা দেখি ওই আমার কাছে চলে গেছে অ্যাড করে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আমার ভয়েসটা কিরকম এটা বলেন তো, বাংলা ভয়েস, মানে বাচ্চা বাচ্চা লাগে?
তা লাগে তো, যে 18 বছরে এগুলো যেরকম করে কথা বলে না, ওই টাইপের।
মানে আমার ভয়েস কি বাচ্চা বাচ্চা লাগে আসলে?
হ্যাঁ, ওই তো বললাম যে 18 বছরের গুলো যে টাইপের কথা বলে, যে ভয়েসে কথা বলে, ওই টাইপের।
বাজে শোনা যাইতেছে এটা বলে?
বাজে তেমন না।
মানে বাজে তেমনটা না, মানে হচ্ছে বাজে শোনা যাইতেছে কিন্তু তেমনটা না, এটা মিন করতেছ, মিন করতেছেন?
হ্যাঁ, সেরকম না, কেমনে বলি।
হ্যাঁ
মানে
যেভাবে ইচ্ছা
আপনার
সেভাবে।
স্বর একটু মোটা টাইপের।
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ মানে হচ্ছে গলা ভেঙে গেছে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই, হইতে পারে। আমার গলা কিন্তু মোটা না, আমার গলা হচ্ছে অনেক চিকন, আমার গলা ভেঙে যাওয়ার কারণে এটা হইছে। এখানে হয়েছে জানেন, আমি হচ্ছে লাইক কালকে হচ্ছে ঠান্ডা পানি খাইছিলাম, অনেক অনেক খাইছিলাম, কালকে থেকে হচ্ছে গলা ভেঙে গেছে। হালকাই।
আইসক্রিম খাবেন সাথে?
আরে বললেন না, আমি হচ্ছে আজকে আইসক্রিম খাইছি, কালকে গলা ভাঙছে আমার, আজকে হচ্ছে ভাবলাম গরম পানি খাবো, গরম পানি বন্ধ হচ্ছে, আমরা খাইছি হচ্ছে টাইগার আইসক্রিম, তারপর হচ্ছে কোক, আবার ঠান্ডা পানি খাইছি। চিন্তা করেন এইটাতে হচ্ছে
কেউ নাই
সার্ভার।
এই সার্ভারে, আমি আর আপনি ছাড়া কেউ নাই।
আমি তো চলে যাবো তখন, আপনি একা থাকবেন।
আমিও চলে যাবো, আপনার আর আমার টাইমার একসাথে হবে।
আচ্ছা
আপনার তো আগে থেকে 1 মিনিট আগে। আচ্ছা ভাই, গেম আছে। আপডেট দেওয়ার কারণে অনেক কিছু চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আপডেট দেওয়ার পর থেকে অনেক কিছুই পরিবর্তন হয়েছে।
যখন লাস্ট আসছিলাম, দেন এগুলা সেটিং একটু চেঞ্জ ছিল।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
আমার টাইমার শেষ, 14, 13, 15।
আমারও শেষ, আমারও শেষ।
আচ্ছা,
ওকে
ভালো
বাই।
থাকবেন।
হ্যাঁ আপনি ভালো থাকেন, সাথে কথা বলে অনেক ভালো লাগলো।